Hey, my name is William, and today we're going to replace the drive belt on a Maytag washer. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll need a 5/16 inch socket. While you're getting it, remember to keep safety first. Always unplug your appliance before you do any work on it to protect yourself from electric shock, which can potentially cause serious injuries.
Don't forget to turn off your water supply and unscrew your hoses from the washer. You might need a towel handy to clean up any unwanted water. In order to get to the drive belt, we need to lean the washer on its back.
I'm setting the washer on its back so you can easily see what I am doing. We're going to grab a 5/16 inch socket to remove the belt shield bolts, and after we do that, we can set the shield off to the side. Now we're going to pull the drive belt off the transmission pulley as we rotate it so that we can slide it down easier. With the old belt removed, we're going to set the new one onto the motor pulley and use the rotation of the transmission pulley to get the new belt back on. We're guiding it up as we rotate the pulley, and with that done, we can reinstall the belt shield and secure it with the 5/16 inch bolts.
And lift the washer back up and put it on its base. Don't forget to plug your washer back in, connect the water hoses, and turn your water supply back on.
You made it! Great job, and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments, and if you haven't gotten a replacement drive belt yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.